When manufacturing bioenergy products from biomass, proper moisture control and monitoring are essential to maintaining the integrity of the product. At MoistTech Corp, we create moisture detection and control systems specifically for bioenergy operations. Our IR3000 moisture sensor is a non-contact sensor that constantly monitors the moisture levels of your bioenergy product and provides accurate readings within 0.1%. This state-of-the-art system is installed approximately 8 inches over your conveyor belt or processing line. Then, as biomass passes under the sensor, it can continuously sense the moisture levels and provide you with in-depth real-time analytics. We completely calibrate the sensors in our factory before sending them to you to ensure easy installation and setup. Then, once you're utilizing our professional moisture detection technology, you can experience improved quality of your product, higher efficiency, larger profits, and so much more. To learn more about our moisture detection systems for bioenergy operations and get started, visit our website or contact us today.